Welcome to Automobile's car. Today, we're diving into the exterior design of the 2025 Tata Safari, a vehicle that seamlessly blends ruggedness with sophistication. The Tata Safari has a rich history, first launched in 1998, and has undergone significant transformations over the years. The 2025 model takes this legacy to new heights with its striking design elements and modern aesthetics. At first glance, the 2025 Safari commands attention with its bold stance and muscular silhouette. The front fascia features a prominent grille, showcasing Tata's signature design language. Flanking the grille are sleek, LED headlights that provide excellent visibility while adding a contemporary touch. The sharp lines and contours on the hood give the Safari an aggressive look, enhancing its overall presence on the road. Moving to the side profile, the Safari boasts a robust character. The sculpted body panels and pronounced wheel arches convey strength and stability. The floating roof design, combined with the chrome beltline, adds a premium touch. Additionally, the 2025 model is equipped with stylish alloy wheels that not only enhance its aesthetic appeal but also contribute to improved performance. One of the standout features of the 2025 Tata Safari is its overall dimensions. With an elongated wheelbase, this SUV offers a commanding view of the road while providing stability at higher speeds. The generous ground clearance ensures that it can handle various terrains, making it an excellent choice for both urban and off-road adventures. At the rear, the Safari continues to impress with its LED taillights that wrap around the edges, giving the vehicle a modern and cohesive look. The rear bumper is designed for functionality, with integrated reflectors that enhance safety. A stylish roof spoiler adds a sporty element, while the dual exhaust tips emphasize its performance-oriented character. The 2025 Tata Safari also includes practical features such as roof rails, which enhance its versatility for carrying additional cargo. The choice of colors available for the Safari adds a personal touch, allowing buyers to select a finish that reflects their individual style. In conclusion, the exterior of the 2025 Tata Safari is a testament to Tata Motors' commitment to innovation and design. With its bold aesthetics, robust build, and thoughtful features, the Safari is set to capture the hearts of SUV enthusiasts everywhere. Stay tuned for more updates and reviews on Automobiles. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive content.